Dredging, an age-old process that to this day is of great economic and infrastructural importance around the world. There are different methods of dredging, such as plain suction, trailing suction, and cutter suction.
It starts by lowering the spud pole. When the CSD arrives at the worksite, it positions itself by lowering the main spud pole in the stern of the vessel. And the vessel is anchored on port and starboard to get vessel still as well as move it from side to side by controlling the side winches of swing ladders. Once the vessel is stable and fixed with the main spud pole and swing anchors, it's time to lower the cutter ladder. At the end of the cutter ladder, a cutter head is installed, and it starts to dredge sand, clay, silt, gravel, and even rock from a seabed. By pulling on one side winch and giving slack on the other, the cutter can be pulled across the width between each swing anchor. After the positioned work site is done, the main spud pole is lifted up and the other spud pole installed in spud carriage pontoon, fixed onto the seabed and moves backward, and it pushes forward the vessel. In this way, the CSD can dredge and move forward rotatively. Of course, mostly, the important dredging work happens in the water, controlled by an operator in operation cabin. Then, how does it work?
By the operator from inside the control cabin. He starts by lowering the ladder. Now the cutter head can do its work, loosening soil from the bottom. A dredge pump sucks the loosened material through the suction pipe and discharges it.
The dredged material can be directly used for land reclamation or stored to a designated area, transported through discharge pipeline.
¡Cuidado, cuidado!